Good day everyone. Our topic today is ethics and professionalism. Ethics and professionalism are foundational to effective human resources. Practice as they guide decision making, build trust, and ensure fair treatment of all employees while aligning with organizational values and legal requirements. Key ethical principles in HR: fairness and equity, ensuring consistent application of policies, avoiding discrimination based on race, gender, age, religion, or other protected characteristics in hiring, promotion, compensation, and disciplinary action. Confidentiality, protecting sensitive employee information such as personal data, performance reviews, and medical records, only disclosing it when legally required or with proper authorization. Honest and transparency, communicating truthfully with employees about organizational change, policies, and expectations, and avoiding misleading statements or hidden agendas.
Hello, good day. I am Kevin Reloba and this is my topic. First, respect for dignity. Treating all individuals with respect, valuing diverse perspectives, and creating a safe work environment free from harassment and bullying. Next is responsibility. Acting in the best interest of both employees and the organization, balancing competing needs while upholding legal and ethical standards. Next is professionalism in HR practices. So first is competence, maintaining up-to-date knowledge of labor laws, HR best practices, and industry trends, and applying this expertise to solve problems effectively. Next is accountability, taking ownership of decisions and actions, admitting mistakes, and working to correct them. Next is professional conduct, adhering to industry codes of ethics from the Society for Human Resource Management and avoiding conflict of interest that could compromise objectivity. Next is communication skills, interacting clearly, respectfully, and professionally with all stakeholders, including employees, managers, and leadership. And then con- next is continuous improvement, pursuing professional development through training, certifications, and networking, enhance skills, and stay current in the field.
Impact of strong ethics and professionalism builds trust between employees and management, boosting engagement and retention. Reduces legal risk by ensuring compliance with labor regulations. Enhances the organization's reputation as an employer of choice. Fosters a positive workplace culture that supports productivity and innovation.